I'm Mr. D. Bishwa, a retired training officer, refrigeration and air conditioning. Our today's topic is package air conditioning. This is the package air conditioning. There are so many types of air conditioning nowadays available in the market. That is window type air conditioner, split air conditioner, cassette air conditioner, central air conditioning systems. Why we are using package air conditioning? Package air conditioning is a console type, is a sealed type of box in which compressor, condenser, evaporator, expansion valve, all the controls are in a packet. It just looks like a steel almirah. It is divided into three parts. That is the condensing unit, cooling unit and air handling unit. It just looks like this. It is the bottom unit, it is middle unit, it is top unit. In bottom unit there is a compressor, sealed compressor. It is a sealed compressor, runs with three phase, that is 440 volts, and it is a water cool condenser. Water cool condenser and expansion valve. This is your evaporator, and here is air handling unit, just like a blower. A fan is there. All are grills. It is your cooling unit, evaporator, compressor, condenser and expansion valve. They are all are interconnected with copper tubes. What is the function of a compressor? It is shocks the low pressure, low temperature refrigerant vapor from the evaporator and compress it. It raises its pressure and temperature. Then it is delivered to the condenser. In condenser, the water receives the heat from the condenser. So the refrigerant converts into liquid state. Then it goes to the expansion valve. In the way, there are two controls or two parts. One part is dryer. What is dryer? In dryer, there are some water absorbing elements in the dryer. Here is the dryer. Suppose this is the way, it is a screen, it is a metal screen, it is some silica gel is there. This is the way of refrigerant. If there are any impurities or water particles, it will absorb, it will screen, it will sanitize, it will absorb the moisture, then it is go to the expansion valve. What is the expansion valve? Expansion valve is a device which converts high pressure into low pressure. Its other name is metering device or controlling device. It controls the refrigerant according to requirements, it controls the flow of refrigerant when the load is more or when the person is more, it allows more refrigerant to the evaporator. When the person is less, suppose it is a departmental store, it is a bank, suppose there are only 5 to 7 customers, the load is less, it will admit less refrigerant. When there will be 20 to 25% customers in the bank, then it will increase the flow to meet the load demand. Then in the evaporator, there is a fin and tube type evaporator. Inside the tube, the low pressure refrigerant flow. When its boiling point is approximately minus 40 degree Fahrenheit, when there is load, it will evaporate all a sudden by absorbing the heat. Suppose spirit, आम हाथ रे कौन कर घसी दौचे स्पिरिट तार बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हूँ लेस से ऑल ए सडन इभापोरेट हो गलाठू यही जगहटा आमको ठंडा लगुच कहीं law of refrigeration, fluid absorb heat while changing from liquid to gaseous state and give up heat while changing from gaseous to liquid state. जेते बेले गोटा liquid टा gas हुए, it will absorb the heat. When the gas convert into liquid state, it rejects the heat. So, evaporator, it will absorb the heat. Then by this way, in this way, suppose it is a bank, it is a office, it receives the hot air and through the evaporator, it rejects the heat and becomes cool. Then supply to the air conditioning areas where it is used. Generally, it is used in banks, restaurants, medium range office, some shops, small markets, departmental stores, and a control panel rooms. Then, what are the types? What are the types? There are two types. According to cooling, one is water cooled and another is your air cooled package. When water cooled there is a provision. The cooling water will come to this way and hot water will return by this way. So there is a provision for cooling the water and returning to the condenser. In some locations, suppose it is not easy to maintain the cooling tower, so we use air cooled condensers. So here the condenser is there. The air go to outside. Generally, we are using water cooled condensers. We are using water cooled condenser. Then, according to construction, it is two types. One is your ductable, another is your direct cooling. What is ductable? Suppose it is a bank. We divided into 3 to 4 sections. One for manager, one for cash, one for our loan section. So, the duct will be there. There is a opening. Here is a opening. And here is a opening. It is manager room. It is cash counter. It is loan section. There are 3 openings. Suppose in a switch gear systems or control rooms, relay centers. So there is only one opening is there. It's enough. What's your capacity? What is the capacity of package AC? There are so many capacities of package AC, that is 3 tier ton of refrigeration, 5 tier ton of refrigeration, 8 tier ton of refrigeration, 10 tier ton of refrigeration, and 15 tons, up to 3 ton to 15 tons. Suppose if we will use the package units, thus there is only one unit. If we will use split AC, suppose split AC, its capacity is 1.5 to 2 tons. We will use 8 ACs. Whereas in package AC, we are using only one AC. Then there is a control system. Where is control system? In the bottom panel, there is a control system to operate the temperature, mode, the pressure, the temperature, the flow of air, the velocity of air. We all controls through these panels, electrical panels. Now we know what is package AC, what are the parts used in package AC, what are the 3 components, 3 layers. Then we will see the troubles. What are the troubles? It is a main origin to identify the troubles. It is a main topic. How will, suppose AC is running but improper cooling or less cooling. Suppose AC is running, there is less cooling. What are the causes? Less cooling. What are the causes? Less cooling. Can you tell me? Yes? Suppose there is less refrigerant. It is a main thing. Less refrigerant. If there is less refrigerant, the cooling will be less. Then low voltage. If the voltage is less, the speed of the compressor will be less. So cooling will be less. Improper insulation. What is improper insulation? Suppose inside the package AC, the inside word there is a insulation. In all sides there are insulations. Suppose if insulation is removed, then the compressor heat portion will be leaked to the room. It is a simple, easy systems. We don't know. We are using less refrigerant. How will you find it is less refrigerant? What is the parameter to finding out? Nothing. There is a liquid indicator. In the liquid line, there is a liquid indicator. It is a glass. It is just like gas. The refrigerant is flowing. It is just like water. It is colorless. When there is less refrigerant, some bubble will be there. Some bubbles. Bubbles will be there. There is the indication of less refrigerant. If there is sufficient refrigerant, it will flow like this. No bubble is there. It is clear. This is the indication of less refrigerant. Suppose the manufacturer charge the correct refrigerant. How the refrigerant goes? It is a seal unit. There is no question of leakage. How it will go out? Suppose some vibration is there, some effect is there, some thermostat expansion valve, there is some loose connection is there, the gas will leakage out. When the gas will leakage out, there is a control system. Will show you, will talk you about the control system. In the control system, the low pressure cutout will off. Suppose it is the package AC using R22, refrigerant 22, R22. Its suction pressure is 65 psig. If there is less refrigerant, the pressure will, when the pressure will come to 20 psig, there is in the control system, the low pressure cutout will cut off the circuits. It will not start. It will not start. Then less cooling, the first cause is less refrigerant. Then second cause is poor insulation. The next point is your high head pressure or improper condensation. The heat transfer process in the condenser is not correct way. So the refrigerant pressure and a refrigerant not converting into liquid state. Why? Suppose failure of water pump will start the motor. Motor is out of order. The technician, the operator know that, oh, I have operated, but motor is one out. Motor will not run. Then no refrigerant, no water. Therefore, there is no heat transfer. How it will cool? Another thing, your dirty condenser. Motor is running, but low speed is there. Improper water pressure, dirty condenser. So these are the causes of high head pressure. High head pressure, then it is known as high head pressure. The next next point, improper setting up thermostatic expansion valve. Improper setting, suppose the thermal valve will shut and just after the evaporated in the suction line. Suppose we shift the thermal valve inside the evaporator, then it will admit less cooling, it will admit less refrigerant. Then it improper adjustment of defective expansion valve. Then another point of improper temperature setting. Improper temperature setting. In the thermostat, we adjust that, suppose our AC is maintaining 25 degrees Celsius. Suppose we set 32, just 31. Suppose we feel there is less cooling. So set the thermostat switch in a proper condition. Then frequent door opening. Suppose the door will open always. Frequent door opening. The outside hot air, excess load is there. So there will be less cooling. Then another is your defective dryer. Suppose it is not observing the proper water particles, moistures present in a refrigerant. So there is some question of choking in the system. Then oil in the evaporator. In the compressor there is oil. To cool, to lubricate the compressor there is some oil. The oil is flowing throughout the circle. So it will be stored in the evaporator. So if there is oil in the evaporator, oil is not returning to the compressor, there will be less cooling. How will you know? There will be a buzzing sound. Gurg, 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 gurg. There will be a buzzing sound. Some, if inside the bottle, if you will keep half water, then will buzz like this. Then this is known as the. Then another thing is your iced thermostat. So thermostatic expansion is full of ice. Thermostatic expansion valve is full of ice. Why? If the thermostatic expansion valve is full of ice, the ice should be, slide ice should be, takes place in evaporator, slide ice. In the air conditioner, there is less ice, only dew formation is there, only water formation is there. Suppose the thermostat will full of ice. Why? Defective thermostat, choking in the system. These are all facts. Then the compressor runs with high pressure. What is high pressure runs? Less excess charge of refrigerant, less oil. These are all things we have to consider in the trouble systems. Then what is your maintenance? Why will you maintain? Why will the machinery run more times smoothly? What we have to check? What to first check? Suppose a operator is there, suppose a switchman is there, so we will check the voltage first, temperature, and cleans the filter in every 7 days. Generally in office and hotels daily 3 days. 3 days. After 3 days we have to clean the filter. But in a bank we have to clean the filter every weekly. Then we clean the grills, though supplying air supplying outlets known as grill, we have to clean the grills. There will be some dust particles. We will adjust the grill. Suppose the manager is sit here, the air go to outside. We have to adjust the grill. Okay? This is somewhat, we have to go to 50% of the topic. In the coming class, we have to know the preventive maintenance, its wiring, and its details. What is the preventive maintenance? What we will do daily, weekly, quarterly, and yearly. Okay, thanks my trainees. Then coming section will continue this chapter. If is there any doubt, please contact with my WhatsApp number. At any time I am available. Thank you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने को ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी आईटीआई माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणारे जोगै देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम। एबे आम झियो रहिबे सबुठु आगरे सबुठु उपरे।
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा।